Bullish predictions for how much Nexo will cost in 2030 run from $2.99 to $5.65. Examiners of the market think that any XO could hit 2.33 by 2025. The price forecast for a bearish Nexo market in 2023 is 53 cents. Nexo presentation. Researchers learned something from the rise of digital currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others. Algorithmic innovation won't go away. Researchers and cryptographers worked hard to create a unique cryptographic currency that would have the most value at a good price in the future and allow people to get money and pay bills in replaceable local currency. Let's look at the coin list. Even though the Nexo key probe is based on blockchain calculations, the price of EXO went from 55 cents to 98 cents between April and May 28. Between April and May 28, the price of EXO went from 55 cents to 98 cents. Nexo is very powerless, and the value of other digital currencies depends heavily on demand and supply. According to information that can be checked, the company's market launch in 2018 was followed by a big increase that gave early investors a big bonus. But it didn't change much until September 2020. By then, the price of Nexo had risen above the average trading price of 73 cents, but it has since dropped a little and is now testing the average price of 50 cents. Surprisingly verifiable information shows that during the coronavirus stage, when other currencies were doing poorly, the Nexo price was strong, gaining investor confidence and showing a big increase. It manages assets worth $80 billion and has millions of followers in more than 200 countries. It supports more than 40 important digital forms of money, such as the Nexo token, Bitcoin, Ether, Axie, Phantom, Cardano, and Dogecoin. Albeit the rate is often as smaller clients can get up to 16 of premium on their collateralized resources, and a new reading TAI was getting April 12 while BTC was making 7%. Penny EXO has great trust pullout reviews, but there are also clearly some fake reviews. Mixing in with the real ones, specialized investigation for Nexo. The price of Nexo looks good for the future because it counts on specialized investigation, which is very reliable. The Nexo price forecast looks good for the future, based on our technical analysis and market updates. It's possible that many projects will be finished by the end of 2022, which would lead to the most expensive price forecast and make Nexo a better investment than government-issued currency on the digital currency market. The next price forecast is expected to rise quickly over a long period of time. Nexo is worth 66 cents USD right now. As of right now, Nexo has changed 1.06%, and there have been 3,193,060 trades. As of right now, Nexo is ranked 95th out of all digital currencies, with a market size of $375,740,000 USD. Using the general strength file moving weighted normal Williams fractal and moving normal combination difference from the graph above, we can figure out cost designs for Nexo to figure out if having a bullish or negative year is likely. Our cost estimate figures use continuous Nexo. Market information and all other information are updated live on our site. This lets us make dynamic price predictions based on how the market is moving right now. Nexo Value Expectation 2023. From some points of view, Nexo is one of the most impressive digital currencies to rise this year. The Nexo price estimate limit for 2023 predicts a big rise in the last part of the year, possibly to 99 cents. As with other digital currencies, the rise will be slow, but there won't be any big drops. An average price of 93 cents is very high, but it's possible soon, given the expected joint efforts and progress. Nexo should be worth 79 cents at its base. Nexo's expected value will be 2024 out of 2024 due to the expected announcements of many new companies and projects. The Nexo price has a lot of room to grow. We think the price of any XO will soon go above $1.66, but we should wait to see if the Nexo's overall strength file comes out of the oversold zone before putting down any bullish bets. Bets, taking into account the unstable market, say that Nexo will trade at a base price of 1.33 and an average price of 1.46. The Nexo value expectation for 2025 is that, if the vertical pattern continues until 2025, it could reach 2.33. XO might benefit if the market experiences a decay. The goal might not be reached. Nexo is expected to be worth between $2.13 and $2 in 2025. Nexo value prediction for 2026. If Nexo does a good job of supporting market sentiment among digital money fans, the price of a Nexo coin could stay stable for the next 5 years. According to our predictions, Nexo will be green in 2026, and it is expected to hit and beat its all-time high. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at 2.99 with a base cost of 2.66 and a typical cost of 2.79. Nexo value expectation 2027. After some broad guanjing and specialized investigation, we gauge the Nexo cost as opposed to cross a normal value level of 3.46 by 2027 with a base cost of $3.33. Anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Nexo has a greatest value worth of 3.66. Nexo value expectation 2028 because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $4.12 on the off chance that any XO figures out how to break the safe level in 2028. We could see a most extreme cost of 4.32. Neglecting to accumulate the help Nexo needs by 2028 could bring about a low of 3.99. Nexo value expectation 2029. While Nexo is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed, so the base exchange cost has been set at 4.66 and a yearly cost close above 4.99 in 2029. Nexo value prediction for 2030. By 2030, Nexo will finally do better than its past ATA values and set a new cost level. The base cost could be 5.32 cents, and the highest value could be 5.65 cents. The average cost will be $5.45. Nexo worth expectation 2031. The digital currency market is known to be exceptionally unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost squagging is a troublesome error. Makes an honest effort to